Hello, everyone. As promised, let me move this around so I don't block the microphone. As promised, we are checking in before our mini-series starts here on QVC. We have a full hour, mainly all in harvest, things that you've been waiting for, things that we've been giving you sneak peeks for. It is finally here, and we are bursting. We're so excited. So we will be joining you live. Hey, Christopher Rossi. Hey, Mary Miller. Mary, by the way, loved all the pictures that you posted in the chat the other night with Lisa. Love all your new goodies. Hey, Susie. Hey, Debbie. So we promised we were going to give a sneak peek and show you everything that we'll be sharing with all of you during the 7 p.m. show. You are not going to want to miss it. Mary, you got tickets? Okay, so earlier, in case you missed it, we put up a link. We are going to do a live studio audience to end out our mini-series, and all of you are invited. So I know it's limited in seating, but we did put it up there today, so check it out if you haven't been able to. Would love to meet all of you. It's with Alberti. It's on August 28th at 7 p.m. So, all right, I'm going to switch hands a little bit, give you a little different angle. Here we go. So we are doing all things Temptations, getting ready for all the fun, and I just have to show you, would you like your harvest table to look as beautiful as this? There are the linens we're talking about. There's a little sneak peek at some of the ramekins we're talking about. Wait till you see all the goodies. The placemats, the runner, everything you've been asking for, they're finally here. Super duper affordable, machine washable, all of those great things, and satin stitching with all of that gorgeous applique. I have to tell you, this set has never looked nicer. Hello, Susie. I'm going to walk you on over, give you a few more sneak peeks. Hello, Wendy. Hello, Janice. How is everybody tonight? Look at this. Oh, did we mention the stacked pumpkin tray coming up? Look at how fun this plaid is that we did. And then, of course, we did a little harvest. Anita Tesher in the house. Hello, Anita. That is my wonderful sister-in-law. Love her to death. And then look at how cute. We did a little mix of our patterns there. So, Matthew Angelo, we were working on tablecloths. We are doing first and foremost placemats, napkins, and runners. Denise already ordered her linens. I spy figural pumpkins in Buffetti. So look how cute that is. Oh, and they come in harvest too. And of course, pumpkin patch. How exciting is all of this? We are bursting. I know it's still summer. I know it's still August. A completer set in summer would complete my table set. I love that. So many great things. You did see those square dishes? Yes, we'll bring them back for sure in our dinnerware, but I have to tell you, super exciting. Do you remember in the fall of last year, we debuted our mini loaf pans? They were wildly popular and blew out. We brought them back in a special limited edition where we did our mixed classic. It's not a color choice. You get all four: the blue, the red, the black, and the green as one choice. And then you get your harvest, your pumpkin patch, your harvest, your buffetti, and of course your pumpkin. They come with the snap-on storage covers. Moving on over. They come in the gorgeous gift boxes with the snap-on storage cover. We like to call these our mini makers. I'm just gonna, full disclosure, full warning, let you know, already wildly popular just from the few times we've shown them to you, and not a ton to go around. So, okay. Who's excited? Any questions? Is Cherry Jubilee coming back? Sort of, Susie. We're working on a couple of renditions there. Maybe not in its classical sense. Rhonda says she has 70 pieces. Thank you, Rhonda. Welcome to the Temptations family. I guess you've been celebrating along with us for a long time. So much to show you, so much excitement, bursting at the seams. Oh, I didn't even show you. Okay, let's not make you nauseous. Come on over here. Have to show you who made a return visit. So cute. Okay, ready? Our cookie jar is back. Our Buffetti cookie jar was so popular with the cookie cutter and, of course, our spooktacular sugar cookie. How cute is that? First of all, what a great gift. I think that's absolutely adorable. I love. I always say I'm going to give them as gifts, and I never do. Sandy, that's hilarious. Hey, it's the thought that counts, right? And then look at how cute these are. I don't think you guys have seen these in full. Matthew Angelo, Buffetti Dinner will be on Temptations.com sometime in September. Promise, promise. There's your harvest. Look at this. We call this our Fall-tastic set. Engraved leaves on the side. If you're picking up Buffetti, you have the web serving platter and then all the little icons, including the ghost. Hello. Someone said he looks like the ghost from Pac-Man. That's so cute. And then, of course, we have our pumpkin patch. So we are busy getting ready. Yes, Karen, rolling pins, we hear you. We hear you. We are getting busy and ready to go on air in just about 22 minutes. Ooh, I better go get my act together. But I just wanted to share all of this with you. Who's joining? Come and join us, and then we're going to roll right into In the Kitchen with David, where we'll have 2 products in his show. So super excited about that. Always wonderful to be in the house with Mr. Venable. So join Rick and me at 7 p.m. Lisa will be chatting. We have a live chat going on. So feel free to jump on in and ask questions. And then we'll roll into David's show. And I will see you. I think we're on around 9 p.m. in David's show and about 9:45. But that could all change. Who knows? Okay, I'll see you guys all soon. Bye.